Attention all kids and parents. Learn a new skill that will keep you enjoying the outdoors for years to come. Attend a Saltwater Kids Fishing Clinic near you, hosted by the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission and funded by the Sport Fish Restoration Program. These fun and family-oriented clinics equip youth with the basics of environmental stewardship, fishing ethics, angling skills, and safety. At the end of the day, practice your new skills at a nearby dock or pier. You may even get to take home your own rod and reel. Clinics are geared toward children between the ages of 5 and 15. Find one near you by visiting myfwc.com/education and clicking on Outdoor Skills and Kids Fishing Clinic.